Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Backup critical files, insert a compatible SD card, and verify available space. Open Settings, then scroll to Storage so you see used versus free. Tap Apps or File Manager next to Storage to access where data lives. Why do this first? Because you avoid data loss and ensure the destination has room. Once done, make sure the SD card is formatted for internal or portable use. This choice affects app and media move options. Now you change defaults and move content. Go to Settings and find Default Storage or Save Locations under individual apps like Camera. Select SD card to make new photos save externally. This reduces internal clutter. For apps, open each app's storage settings and choose Change Storage when the option exists. Move existing files via Gallery or Files, select Folders, then move to SD. This reorganizes current data and prevents internal storage from filling up again. Finish by rebooting so the system recognizes new locations and media databases rebuild. Verify camera saves to SD and that app's access moved files. If an app breaks, revert it. Open App Info, Storage, and move it back to internal, or consider formatting the card as internal storage, which allows apps to live there but erases the card. If problems persist, clear app caches and run storage optimization to fix indexing. This resolves most read/write errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.